Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook purple yam jam or ube halaya. The other day I went to my favorite Asian store and found out that they ran out of ube jam or purple yam jam. So I decided to make it myself. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And also, don't forget to click on the notification so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, check out my kids' gaming video called Dragon Flames Games. I put the link down into my channel. Please check it out. And now, back to the video. If you like this video, smash that like button and leave some comments down below and share this video to your friends. Also, stick around to watch some of my other videos in this channel.